Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, please subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up, and we are going to be using the James Charles palette today. Please let me know if you like these types of videos, because I enjoy like get ready with me, talk through type of things where we just kind of chit chat most of the time, but those tend to be longer videos, and I know not everybody cares for that. They just want to see the makeup being applied and get right down to it. So leave a comment down below letting me know whether you like these kinds of videos or if you like the chit chat, get ready with me, like slow, you know, you do your makeup while I'm doing my makeup type of thing. And I mean, I can change what I'm doing. I've just been doing these because I know that a lot of people just want to get right down to it, and I tend to talk a little bit too much, so let's just get right into this look before this intro gets any longer. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Letting me know what you'd like to see next. And thank you guys so much for being here. I really do appreciate it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.